It's looking great.
Oh oui?
Yes. Feels to me like we have a new toy.
Yeah. Same kit, different game.
Long exposure has been there forever, but what's different for us, it's simply the fact that we have one single light on the ceiling and we just keep playing with slow shutter speed and Kim dancing.
Feels like it opens just another door of possibilities, and it's hard to stop. To stop experimenting and just to find what looks interesting movement wise. Right now I'm still like in my head a lot, thinking about like the timing and trying to figure out angles and movement in relation to the light as well, because since it's a unique source of light coming from the ceiling, it creates a lot of shadows, which are sometimes interesting, sometimes are not.
I hope to be able to make a longer video of Kim dancing with this technique, but for the moment this is more or less experimentations.
We would probably have to experiment quite a lot to find like exactly what is satisfying to us, you know, like what is the best way to create something interesting and different with it, more on the artistic side, I mean.
Yeah, that's your part. From the technical side, before I forget, 154 cameras, interval 50 milliseconds,
Yeah.
1.3 second exposure on each camera, and 3 iterations. That means a lot of data.
Yeah.
I'm not shooting raw currently, just because it's too long, especially when you do multiple iterations.
Oh, regarde. Je prends mon bain dans un nid de poule.